Man, I'm out here with the dogs. Ooh, disrespect dogs, or some lines get crossed, and I swear y'all getting dogged. Ooh, they always act hard, and some pop off. It's funny, y'all dubs. Don't ever think it's all love. We some dogs, you can never dog us. You can never dog us. Man, I'm out here with the
lounge in LA, cause suckers try to take advantage. Yo, what do? We doing damage, stepping out like King Kong. I'm a fucking savage, threaten me. Yo, my skins, and I'll make you vanish. Sneaking up on my enemies like a praying mantis. 2 shots to the head, paint the concrete bloody red like a canvas. We making all these moves, all these other rappers can't stand us. Me and Jay Skiller out in Colorado, so much cash flow like we won the lotto. Taking care of my fans, always been my motto.
man, I'm out here with the dogs. Ooh, disrespect dogs.
I'm in a jacked up, blacked up Duramax Chevy, hitting all these muddy ruts with the wheels steady. About to hit a mud hole, call up all my skins, tell them that they better get ready. Taking all these beats and ripping them up like